So today's video is going to be a very special one because what I'm going to be doing is showing you how you can combine the power of multiple different AI tools. For example, NotebookLM, Google AI Studio, and Horizons to help you launch your very first app. This video is perfect for beginners, especially if you know nothing about coding, but you want to understand how you can get an app launched in the quickest time possible and the most affordable way possible as well. So what we're going to be doing is starting off on NotebookLM, and those of you that have watched my channel before already know how powerful this tool is when it comes to allowing you to learn anything as a complete beginner. And I'm going to be using it when it comes to helping me build a complete app. In this video, you're going to see me do it. And I'm also going to use it when it comes to giving me guidance on how I can get traffic to the app as well. So what I'm going to do is just log into my NotebookLM account. And then from there, if you're following along, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And as you should already know by now, if you've been using NotebookLM, you need to give it a source for it to refer to when it's going to give you your answers. And that's the reason why I recommend using NotebookLM, because it's going to act as an AI expert when it comes to building apps, and it's going to act as your advisor as well along every single step of the way. So there's multiple different ways that you can give it a source for it to always look at whenever you ask it a question. You can give it a file, you can give it a YouTube link, you can give it a regular website link, but what you can also do is give it a pre-programmed prompt. And it's going to be in this box where you need to paste the custom prompt so that NotebookLM knows exactly what you're trying to build. So it's going to be able to direct you accordingly. So for us to get this prompt, what you need to do is go over to this site over here. As always, I'm going to leave it linked down below. It's completely free for you to use. You don't have to sign up if you don't want to. If you do sign up, you're going to be able to save all of the different prompts that you make for all of these different AI tools. So today we're going to, of course, click on NotebookLM, and I'm just going to go through all of the questions that I need to go through so that NotebookLM knows the type of digital product that I'm looking to create. In this case, of course, it's going to be an AI built web app. So I'm just going to select it like that and then click on next. It's straightforward questions that anyone can fill out. You're going to be able to see me doing it on the screen right now. One of the most important questions is, what type of niche do you have knowledge in? This is where so many beginners end up tripping up, because a lot of people want to replicate an app that they see doing well, when in reality, you need to make sure that you pick an app or a niche that involves something that you actually care about. So there's going to be all of these different options, but if you can't find anything in this list, you could just click on something else. And the app that I'm going to build in this video right before your very eyes is going to be some sort of an app to help Amazon sellers. So I'm just going to type in selling on Amazon in terms of a niche that I have knowledge in, because I was an Amazon seller for over 7 years. So I'm going to type this in, click on next. On this page, it's going to ask you, what platform do you want to use? So of course, we're going to go with Google AI Studio to start off with, and then click on next. Color scheme, we're just going to go with professional. And how do I plan to promote it? We're going to say SEO, search engine optimization today, and then I'm going to click on generate prompt. Okay, there we go. So it's now come back with the detailed prompt that I'm going to be able to copy just like this. Then go back over to NotebookLM, paste everything in there just like that, and then click on insert. And I actually done this a few minutes ago, and I just want to show you what it's going to come back with. So you need to type in the word next for it to come back with a sequence of different questions. And these different questions are going to give you clarity when it comes to the app that you're trying to build. For example, if we take a look at question 1, this is going to be brand and identity. It's going to give you different names that you can choose from in terms of the app. So you can either pick one of these, or what you can do is just choose your own. So I've chosen this name over here, and I've just typed in next. Question 2 is going to be the main functionality of the app. So this is something else that's going to help so many beginners, because a lot of people are confused on the features to include in the app. But with this, it's going to give you some direction on some of the key things to focus on. So you could pick one feature, you could pick 2, you can pick various different features all in one app. It's really down to you. One of the next things is going to be how you're going to get traffic, also how you're going to monetize, just everything that is necessary when it comes to getting this app off the ground. So I definitely recommend going through all of the different questions for the app that you're looking to make. And I would also recommend going over to the right hand side, which is the video overview section, because what you're able to do is make mini courses when it comes to giving you a deeper understanding of a specific area that you're struggling with. E.g. with the app that you're about to see me build right now, if I wanted to know how I can get it ranked on Google, if I've never done it before, I'm going to be able to click into this, go over here, type in that I want it to make a mini course video explaining the 5 things for me to get this app ranked in Google. And then it's going to come back with a video. So that's why it's already done. But stick around to the end of this video because I may play a short snippet of this just so that you know exactly how this feature works. But now that we've got that foundational educational step out of the way, this now brings me on to one of the practical things that you're going to do, which is to get the first draft of your app built. And of course, we're going to be using the Google AI Studio. And for those of you that's not really sure of exactly what this is or how it works, it's basically a Google AI product that's going to be able to build various different things. It's going to be able to build web apps, mobile apps. It can also build websites, landing pages. But today we're just going to be using it to build out a web app / SaaS type product. And it's pretty straightforward in the way that it functions. So I'm going to use it when it comes to building out a SaaS product to help out Amazon sellers. So now that I've got an idea of what I want to include in my app with the help of NotebookLM, I'm just going to go back over to this prompt builder. And this time around, what I need to do is select the Google AI Studio. So I'm going to select it like that. It's going to take me through another series of questions. What type of web app do I want to build? I'm going to say I want to build something else because I can't find it in this list. So I'm just going to click on this. And I'm just going to say that I want to build a multi-feature Amazon tool. So we're just going to type this in, click on next. Who is this web app mainly for? I'm going to say Amazon sellers. What problem should this web app help people solve? I'm just going to say that this is going to help Amazon sellers save more time by using AI to speed up everyday tasks. And these are the different features that I'm going to include. So I'm going to include a feature when it comes to automatically writing emails for Alibaba suppliers. Another feature when it comes to calculating the return on investment when it comes to the products that Amazon sellers are going to list. There's also going to be a product listing description writer, as well as a Amazon main product image crop tool. And because I was an Amazon seller for many, many years, I know exactly what people want. I know exactly what's going to help them out. And this is the mindset that you guys need to have with whatever niche you're looking to go into. So we're just going to enter all of that, click on next. The next question is, what should the user input for them to get results from this app? For this one, I'm just going to say it's going to be multiple fields. Let's click on next. What should the app show the user after they click submit? It's going to be multiple different versions or variants. An ideal color scheme is going to be black and orange. And then I'm going to click on generate prompt. Okay, here we have it. Once again, it's come back with the prompt. We're just going to copy it, go over to the Google AI Studio, paste everything in there just like that. Make sure that you're on the highest version or the latest version of Gemini. And then I'm just going to click on build. And right there, as you guys can see, the Google AI Studio has gone straight to work to start coding everything out. So it's building it right before our very eyes. So you don't need to know how to code. You don't need to know a single line of code. Of course, that will help you if you wanted to make some manual adjustments. But for now, I'm just going to leave the Google AI Studio to do its thing. And as soon as it's completed, I'm going to be back ASAP and show you the final results. Okay, guys, I'm back. And as we can see, it's now come back with something that looks impressive at first glance. So we're just going to make it full screen so we can get a better look. Okay, so this is what it was able to build. It's got a full homepage, as you can see. It's got these different interactive graphics on the screen as well. It's got these different pricing packages that people can either buy monthly or yearly. And just generally, it's been able to do a really good job with the homepage. So I'm just going to log in to my admin account so that we can take a look at the back end. Okay, here we go. So this is the dashboard. This is the Alibaba email writer. We've also got the ROI calculator as well, the description writer, we've got the image cropper, and I'm sure that you guys are blown away by what it's been able to do. And bear in mind, guys, that all of this is fully functional. If I wanted to use the ROI calculator or the image cropper, I'm going to be able to do that right now, even before I've made it live. And the main point of this video is to show you the potential of what you're going to be able to go away and do yourself. Now, of course, if you want to make any adjustments to it, you're going to be able to do that by coming over to this prompt box, typing in any changes, and it's going to be able to action it straight away for completely free. So it's definitely an impressive tool. Now, one question that a lot of people ask me is, Sam, how exactly can I make my app go live? And there's a number of different ways that you can do it. But if you're using the Google AI Studio, the way that you can do that is by going over here to where it says deploy app. And when you click into it, it's going to deploy your app on the Cloud Run services. So you just need to set up your billing in the back end of your Google account. And once you've done that, you're going to be able to set up a cloud project, and that's going to instantly give you a URL for you to visit your app on the internet so that you can check it out like a normal person would. So if I just go into the back end of my Google Cloud account, as you can see, this is the app that we just built, and this is the URL. And I'm sure that you guys can agree that this isn't the URL that you want if you want to take this app serious. So when it comes to getting a custom URL, you're going to be able to do that by clicking into domain mappings. And it's going to be on this screen that you're going to be able to now enter whatever custom domain that you've purchased from sites like GoDaddy or any other domain site. Now in this video, I just wanted to give you a general overview as to how the Google AI Studio works. It can get a little bit confusing sometimes when it comes to doing all of this backend stuff, and also setting up a payment processor so that you can actually receive payments. This is going to be done through Stripe. You're going to need to connect your Stripe to your app. And if you want me to make a detailed video showing you all of this, just comment down below, do the payment app video as well as your specific location, and I'll be sure to get onto that ASAP. But when it comes to doing things in a slightly easier way, I would definitely recommend something like Horizons. Now, this is something that not that many people know about, but it's able to do something very similar to what you just saw me do with the Google AI Studio, but instead, everything, all the hosting, everything you need is going to be in one place. And the good thing about this entire setup of using NotebookLM, using the Google AI Studio, is that you can now go over to something like Horizons. If you have built something on the AI Studio, you're going to be able to take a screenshot of all of the different pages for the app that you've built or any app, and it's going to be able to rebuild it in a matter of minutes. And to explain exactly what I'm talking about, if I just go back over to the Google AI Studio and take a screenshot of the homepage just like this, as well as the dashboard and all of these other features, what I'm now going to be able to do with Horizons is just take all of these different screenshots, drag and drop them in there just like that, and then simply give it a prompt, something along the lines of recreate this exact app in terms of the homepage and all of the features. You can be a bit more descriptive, but I'm just going to use this for now, and then I'm going to click on enter. And what Horizons is going to do is start building everything out, so you can see everything being coded in the back end. So as always, I'm just going to wait for it to come back with the first draft, and we're going to take a look together. Okay, perfect. So as you guys can see, it was able to do exactly what I told it to do. So this is definitely a good start, because if I just click on full screen, we're going to be able to take a look at the homepage. So this is what the potential customers are going to see. You can flick through on monthly or yearly. It's got all of these different packages, just like what I was able to build on the AI Studio. I'm also going to be able to log in as well. So let me just do that. So this is what the dashboard is going to look like. It's going to have all of these different features. So it's slightly different to what the AI Studio done, but it's still really impressive in the sense that it was able to look at all of these different images and then come back with all of these fully functional features. So if I just click into this one, as you can see, we've got this image analysis tool. We've also got this product lister generator. We've got the inventory manager as well. We've got all of these different features. And the good part about it is that if I want to add any more features, I'm going to be able to do so by entering in a prompt on the left-hand side in this box over here. But right now, most of you are probably thinking, but Sam, why would I use something like Horizons over the AI Studio? And to be honest, it all depends on what you feel comfortable using. But the reason why I like using Horizons is because of how easy it is when it comes to making your app go live. Because literally all you need to do is just click on publish, and you're going to be given a completely free domain. And because Horizons is also a hosting company, you don't need any back-end hosting. You're going to be able to access your website straight away with a custom domain that's going to be linked directly to your app. So that's one of the main benefits. Another one is the integration. So if you wanted to have a back-end database so that you can manage all of your signups, logins, data storage, and various other features, Supabase is what you're going to be able to instantly connect to your app. This is what I personally use anyway. I found it to be super efficient, and it does so many different things. You're also able to get analytics so that you can track how many visitors you're getting on a daily basis and which countries they're coming from. And when it comes to adding any product, managing orders, payments, you're going to be able to do that using the online store feature as well. So yeah, Horizons is definitely worth checking out. I'm going to leave all the information to them in my description down below, as well as a coupon code. But again, it all depends on what you want to use when it comes to building the vision that you have in your head for the app that you're trying to put out there to the world. But for the most part, those are some of the key things that I wanted to go through in today's video when it comes to using NotebookLM, Google AI Studio, Horizons, and just everything in between. If you've enjoyed this video, you've learned anything, you got any sort of value from it, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe as well, hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know once a new video has been released. And once you've built and launched your app and you're ready to start driving traffic to it, and you're maybe confused as to how you can do that, don't forget, if you're using NotebookLM, you're going to be able to get all the information when it comes to the best steps for you to take. This is going to be done using the video overview section. As I told you before, you can use this in NotebookLM when it comes to being able to get information on anything. And what I've done is created a video breaking down how I can get traffic from the Google search engine. So I'm just going to quickly open it up. And I'm just going to play a short snippet of it just so that you guys get the point as to how you're going to be able to use this.
So you built an app. You poured your heart and soul into it, and it's brilliant. But there's a problem. Getting it seen on Google, that can feel like a totally different universe. Well, today we're going to cut right through all that noise. We've got a 5-step plan to get your app noticed. All right, let's jump in.
So yeah, that's the basic premise of it. As you can see, this is a 5-minute video, and I'm going to be able to do this over and over again with any topic or anything that I'm stuck on throughout this whole process, and you're going to be able to do the exact same thing as well. And if you wanted to watch a YouTube video where I expand on how you can use NotebookLM in a lot more detail, breaking down all of the different features in the studio mode, you're going to be able to do that by clicking the link right there. I've gotten so much good feedback from that video, so I'm sure if you're able to watch it from start to finish, it's going to help you out. If you also wanted to check out all the links in my description down below for the prompt builder, you're going to be able to find that. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I'll catch you guys on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.